Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the features that let you call for help without delay. Go to Settings, then Emergency or Safety, turn on emergency calls and allow access from the lock screen. Add an emergency contact, include name, phone, relation, so dispatch can notify someone. Enable location services and cellular data, otherwise your coordinates won't be shared. Once done, make sure the phone's time and region are correct, because incorrect locale can route calls improperly and delay assistance. Next, configure details responders need. Open Health or Emergency settings and create a medical ID, include allergies, medications, blood type, and any critical notes. This can save time in treatment. Then enable Emergency SOS autocall. Set the countdown and audible alarm to warn bystanders. Add emergency contacts for the automated alert messages and enable share location for at least 1 hour so your moving position is tracked. Once configured, save and lock the screen to ensure accessibility. Finally, test the whole workflow in a controlled way. Perform a simulated SOS or brief live call to confirm that emergency services connect, contacts receive text with your location, and medical ID is accessible from the lock screen. If something fails, check network signal and that airplane mode is off. Verify your carrier's emergency number is correct. Restart the device and install any pending OS updates. If problems persist, contact your carrier. Make sure emergency features aren't blocked on your plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.